Hello students, welcome in this class. I hope you are fit and fine with your family. In this video, I will solve question number 7, 8, 11, 12 and 13. Why not question number 9 and 10? Because I will give you these two questions in the assignment. आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 और 10 असाइनमेंट में सॉल्व करना है. ये क्वेश्चन आज हम इस वीडियो में सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 30 I am taking question number 7. Okay, it is Priyanka has 24 apples. 3 by 4, 3/4 of these are found to be rotten. Find the number of rotten apples. What is the meaning of rotten apples? rotten का मतलब होता है खराब हो गए, जैसे एप्पल्स सड़ गए है ना, बैक्टीरिया की वजह से. कुछ भी हो सकता है, whatever. So find the number of rotten apples. We will write number of rotten apples equals, it is 3/4. Okay, 3/4 of these, so it is 3/4 of and these, so we write 24. Now 4 6 are 24, it is cancelled by 4 and finally it is 3 6 are 18 simply. So number of rotten apples are 18. It is the answer of question number 7 of 2.3. okay, so note it down. I hope it's a very small, it's very short answer. Okay, very short process and very easy. Now question number 8. Question number 8 says a rectangular park. So you can draw a rectangle in your fair copy. It doesn't matter if you don't draw. It is a rectangular park is 21 and 3/7 meter long, 21 and 3/7 meter long and 12 and 3/5 meter wide. What is the area of this park? So 21, 3 and 7, 12, 3 and 5. So if you draw this rectangle, this diagram in your fair copy, it will be easier for you to understand this question. Now we have to find the area. So you can write area is L into B, simply length into breadth. What is the length? This is 21 and 3/7 meter multiplied by 12 and 3/5 meter. Finally we have to multiply these values. So what is 21 7 ja 147. okay, if you remember the table you can write, otherwise try. So we multiply 21 by 7, it is 147. 147 plus 3, 150/7 into 12 5 ja 60 and plus 3 63/5 and it is square meter, because area is measured in square meter. okay, तो आपको मीटर नहीं लिखना है. अब हम एरिया फाइंड कर रहे हैं तो यहां पे आपको स्क्वायर मीटर लिखना है. ओके, इफ इरेज द रफ वर्क, इफ दीज नंबर्स आर कैंसिल्ड, कैन बी कैंसिल्ड, देन डू इट. ओके, 7 9 जा 63 एंड 5 3 जा 15, 30 टाइम्स. नाउ इट इज 30 into 9 मीटर स्क्वायर, इट इज 270. It is square meter, not meter square. okay, the answer is 270 square meter. So the answer of question number 8, it is 270 square meter. Okay students, now in this question it is important to remember the formula for area. आपको एरिया का फॉर्मूला याद रखना जरूरी है. It is L into B. Put the values of L and B. Simplify these fractions because these are mixed fractions. Convert these into improper fractions, then multiply and follow the basic process, and all the things I have explained in the previous videos. So this is the answer. Note it down. And next question is 11, not 9. okay, मैं 7 और 8 के बाद में 11th क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहा हूं, बिकॉज 9th और 10th क्वेश्चन आप असाइनमेंट पे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो इट इज 11th. There are 48 students in a class and 2 by 3 of them are boys. How many girls are there in the class? Very good question. So we write number of girls in the class equals, as you can see that यहाँ पर टोटल स्टूडेंट्स 48 हैं और 2/3 बॉयज हैं, तो गर्ल्स पता करने के लिए आपको टोटल नंबर में से बॉयज के नंबर माइनस करने होंगे ऑब्वियसली. ठीक है, सो यू कैन डू इन दिस वे. नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इन द क्लास इक्वल्स 48 minus 2/3. Okay, 2/3 of. Okay, first find the number of boys. Number of boys, because ये वाला मेथड आपके लिए थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा. नंबर ऑफ बॉयज इक्वल्स 2/3 of 48. So divide 48 by 3, it is 16 times, and that is 32. Now you can write number of girls equals 48 minus 32, it is 16. This is the answer of question number 11. So number of girls are 16. Note it down. Next question is question number 12. This question says a car runs 18 km in 1 liter of petrol. All right, how much distance will it cover in 3 and 1/3 liters of petrol? Obviously, what should we do? Multiply, because the information about 1 is given and it is required for many. So we will write car runs 18 km in 1 liter petrol. Now distance covered, equals 3 and 1/3 into 18 kilometer. Okay, so simplify this fraction. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10/3 into 18 kilometer. Cancel out 18 by 3, it is 6 times. 3 6 ja 18, and multiply both the values. 10 6 ja it is 10 into 6 kilometer, and the answer is 60 kilometer. Question number 12, the answer is 60 kilometer. Now 13th question is, Varath reads 1/4 part of a book in 1 hour. How much part of the book will be read in 3.5 hours? So it is the case of multiplication. Again, how much part of the book will be read? So part of the book read equals 3.5 multiply by 1/4. Okay, equals, simplify the fraction. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7/2 into 1/4. Now multiply this both the fractions. 7 1 is 7 and 2 4 is 8. So we can say that the part of the book read is 7/8. Okay, the answer of question number 13, it is 7/8. आप इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? It is 7/8, or you can say 7/8. So look at the board. 7/8. जैसे ये 1/4 है. ओके, इट इज 1/4, और यू कैन से 1/4 और 1/4. So in different ways you can speak the fraction. The answer is 7/8. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इस बुक का 7/8 पार्ट जो है वो इतने टाइम में हम पढ़ सकते हैं. So students, it's all about this exercise. Exercise is not finished. I have solved 7th, 8th, 11th, 12th and 13th questions, and I left question number 9 and 10. So listen carefully. ये दोनों questions आपके assignment के पार्ट होंगे. Okay? Best of luck for the assignment.